something really exciting is happening in the tech world, in Azad Kashmir. A brand new initiative is kicking off, and it's designed to create a direct path for local talent into the global IT industry. So, how's it all going to work, and what does it really mean for the region? Well, let's dive in and find out.
So let me ask you this. How do you build a world-class tech career without ever having to leave your hometown? It's a question a lot of people are asking these days, and a new partnership in Kashmir might just have the answer, bringing the future of IT education right to their doorstep.
So why is this whole thing such a big deal? To really get it, we need to talk about a huge challenge that it's designed to solve. It's all about bridging something called the digital divide.
Okay, so picture this. On one side, you have this massive global tech market that is just constantly hungry for skilled people. And on the other side, you've got this amazing pool of aspiring professionals in places like Azad Kashmir who are so eager to learn, but they just don't have easy access to that top-tier training. That gap right there, that's the digital divide. And this new initiative, well, it aims to build a bridge straight across it.
So who's actually building this bridge? It all comes down to a new partnership, bringing together some pretty key players to make this vision a reality.
And here it is. It's a strategic collaboration between two big names, network professionals who are already known for providing premium IT training, and SCO Software Technology Parks. They're officially teaming up to establish a major presence all across Azad Kashmir.
You know, you gotta love how clear their goal is. This quote from their announcement just says it all. Their mission is to turn the youth of Kashmir into highly skilled IT experts who are ready for the global market. And that's the key phrase right there. The ambition isn't just local, it's absolutely global.
Okay, so what does this world-class training actually look like? What are people going to be learning? Let's take a peek inside the curriculum.
Now here's what makes this so special. These aren't just any old training centers. Nope. They are a certified Cisco Academy. What that means is they're officially authorized by Cisco, one of the biggest tech companies on the planet, to teach the official industry standard stuff. That's a huge stamp of quality. And their whole philosophy is built around getting your hands dirty. The focus is not on just memorizing theory from a textbook. It's all about learning by doing, tackling the kind of problems you'd actually see on the job. And let's be honest, that's what employers are really looking for.
It all really comes down to these three things. First, you get access to modern state-of-the-art labs. Second, you earn global certifications that are recognized by top companies everywhere. Think of these as a passport for your career. They prove you've got the skills. And third, it's all about practical, real-world application. It's the whole package, designed to get you hired.
And just look at the courses they're offering. This is exactly what the modern digital economies build on. After a solid foundational course, you can specialize. You can get your CCNA and master the networks that connect everything. Or you can become a digital defender with CyberOps, learning all about cybersecurity. Then there's cloud computing with the big three, AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud. Or you can jump straight into the future with artificial intelligence. This isn't just a random list. It's a direct path to some of the most in-demand jobs in the world right now.
Okay, so this sounds pretty amazing, right? If you're interested, how do you actually get started? Well, this next part is basically your career launchpad.
First up, where can you find them? The great news is they've launched in 5 different cities, all conveniently set up inside the SCO Software Technology Parks. You've got centers in Mirpur, Bimber, Chakswari, Dadial, and Kotli.
And getting enrolled could not be simpler. It's literally 3 steps. 1. Visit the SCO Software Technology Park in one of those 5 cities. 2. Check out the class schedule and pick the course you want. And 3. Secure your seat. That is it. You are on your way.
All right, let's zoom out for a second and just think about the big picture. What does all of this really mean for the future of tech in Kashmir?
See, this is about so much more than just a few jobs. The real vision here is about empowering an entire generation. It's about creating a whole new wave of highly skilled tech leaders who aren't just working locally, but are ready to compete and innovate on the world stage.
So, this leaves us with one last really important question. When you bring this level of hands-on training and direct access to global certifications to a region, could this be the start of a brand new tech chapter for Kashmir? The foundation is definitely being laid. It's going to be fascinating to see what grows from here.